Hi, Aubrey. Hi. What you doing? This is Aubrey Taylor Meyer. And here is Abigail. Say hi.
Hi.
Say baby.
Papa.
Say Abby, say bubble.
Bubble.
Good girl. Say yay. Say yay.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Can you blow a kiss?
Bye.
Say love you.
Bye.
Say please.
Please.
Say thank you.
Go.
Say thank you.
Hey.
What is Aubrey doing? Aubrey Taylor. Hi, Aubrey. Give her, hey Abby, give her kisses. Okay, say bye-bye. Abby, say bye.